task. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
The next task is group planning exercise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some people call it as a military planning. Some people call it in different language. But the task is group planning exercise. In this group planning exercise, you as a group will encounter some problems. There will be more than one problem which the group will be facing simultaneously. Understood?
Yes, sir.
These problems you have to identify. Thereafter, prioritize which problem you will take it up first, and simultaneously, and in a stipulated period of time, you should be able to solve those problems with the help of resources which will be given to you, resources which will be, you can fairly assume during the planning exercise. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It is divided in two parts. First part is your written solution. Second part is your discussion. In written solution, you have to use your own mind as a commander. Analyze the situations which your group is facing and how will you solve it individually. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Second, I will open the whole group to discussion. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you have to come out with a common group solution. Once you come out with a common group solution, anybody can give the group solution to me. I will analyze it, whether it is correct or not. But even after that, I'll give one more chance to others. If somebody who has already given the solutions, you want to add something or not. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
So ready for the task?
Yes, sir.
General Valla particularly think the first priority should be preventing the fish plates removal since the train is departing from.
Yes, I agree with just number 3.
And its average speed is around 80 km per hour, so we have very much less time. So
Yes, I think we can retrace from petrol pump to back to Shamagad, and we can also use the satellite phone services in
I particularly-
Shamagad police station to inform about the Amangad railway station, as well as we can also inform the police about the Baldi Creek smuggling, and also about the Roki Hill meeting which the smugglers are going to.
your idea is absolutely good, but we can inform the about MLC directly.
Yes,
which will be
the
used
railway
to
station
transport
and
as
MLC. Yes,
I agree with chest numbers also. First of all, we go to MLCs, which we inform that Amangarh station to stop the train. After that, we are here for petrol pump. The lady came to puncture tire, came to help us. We send that Chakra Gaon.
We need not say yes. The petrol pump itself has puncturing.
Yes, petrol pump has actually the
Puncturing facility
in shop, so we can help
her to push her vehicle
until she can do her work.
And secondly, we discuss the timing since presently it is
Yes.
4:30. I think around 10 minutes to
Yes.
discuss 4:40 would happen,
Yes.
and it would take around 15 minutes to reach the MLC through
Yes.
the van and walking. and we will report to the MLC about this and MLC along with the witness, because without witness we cannot just simply
Yes, exactly. What Namaste is right.
along with the witness he would report about the nearest railway station which is Amangarh from which the train is departing and prevent any unwelcome accident.
Okay, if we are heading towards MLC, then we can also use the radio service there to inform the police.
Yes, we can.
The police of Shamagarh will tackle this Baldi Creek incident, and the police station at the Amangarh can tackle the Roki Hill situation.
I can suggest one more idea, since there is a hourly bus service and presently there is
Yes.
440.
Yes.
So and the distance between Syamagarh and Petrol Pump is around 12 kilometers. 12
Yes.
kilometers. It will take around 10 kilometers to reach Syamagarh.
Yes.
Okay. So we can send one person along with the witness to the Syamagarh, which would collect the laxative to prevent the nausea of the particular vomiting person also.
Yeah,
We can also use the ORS solution from the first aid box, which will help.
ORS solution is for dehydration, but
Yes, but since he must be vomiting, then we can use
Yes.
I add a point, because of that we are friend going to Dhami because
Yes.
of that function.
Yes.
We also go Dhami and take rest here because of the villagers can use to give me the soft water with the ORS and glucose
Yes,
also.
I
So I can also come Dhami and
Yes.
take rest and attend the festival.
Yes,
Yes,
I
number
would
four
just
has
add
a
one
question.
point. Yes, mostly get due to motion sickness.
Yes.
So if we just reach Dhani
but
village,
just number
Because we go Shyamgarh,
I add to chest
The
number that
kilometer
it's
add is very long.
So we also need some medicine to control
Yes.
this.
Yes.
We get Dhami and take it.
I particularly suggest that
Yes, chest number 8 has good point. Our first priority is
our first priority should be preventing the patient after second priority should be smuggling.
we can inform the police.
Third priority should be identifying and fourth priority
We are grouping the 8 people. We
Yes.
are grouping 8 people. So we are in 2 or 3 go to take the friend who is sickness came to Dhami.
Yes.
After that, one of the second group go to MLC and tell that the Amangarh police station and also Shyamgarh police station to wireless
I particularly think that we should not take him to Dhami because he is feeling nausea. He is currently not vomiting and since the food poisoning.
So because of that we go to Shyamgarh.
Since we can
yes. As number 6 has a very good point that some clinic might also be present at Chaklagaon, and we should also concern the clinic here.
That's why I say that if we go to Shyamgarh, there is a kilometer distance is increasing. So that the nausea has living
small clinic.
Yes, I agree. Customer success, but we should value times. It would take around. Since we are also reporting to Syamgarh to police station and we can collect laxative from there also for the nausea. It would take around 20 minutes and he can hold it.
We don't want to go to Shyamgarh. We don't want Shyamgarh Wait, I know, I agree with you, but the Chaklagaon is nearby the 1 kilometer.
But we have to report to the station
We
also.
also go to MLC, na?
Instead of going to
Actually, police do not register the cases to directly.
Friends, instead of going
We
to
go to
MLC, we can also go to the Shyamgarh police station and
It is a part of inform the railway department.
It is a part of the We say that he is a witness,
But MLC is much more far than the Shamagarh from the petrol pump.
Shyamgarh is 10 kilometers, I believe this is.
Shamagarh is around 20 kilometers. Yes, we can conquer our 2 priorities by going to Shamagarh and informing the police from the radio. We can inform the police station of Amangarh, and we can at the same time inform the railway station, and at the same time we can inform the police station.
We have to inform Amangarh railway station or Syamgarh railway station.
Okay, yes. Just number 3 is exactly. But we can inform the from the police station.
One second, my friends.
Closer from the petrol pump than
We come a common conclusion, so we
Yes.
describe the story.
Yes.
So first we have to include the timings also.
Yes.
4:30.
We are presenting
10 minute discussion.
Yes, yes, yes.
4:30
till 5
and it will take around 15 minutes to reach the particular MLC.
But instead of
Someone to
reaching
go and
MLC,
describe
we
the
should
story.
go to Shamagarh. It fulfills our more priorities.
We can also divide the group. We can find a vehicle at petrol pump. We can ask someone to drop us near the grasslands, and some of us can go
Hourly
to
bus
the
service is also.
Okay, just number 2 has also good point.
Hourly
We
bus
also
service
go
is
here.
also with-
First of all, we go from
Yes,
petrol pump to
So
MLC.
the discussion is going at 4:40. The hourly bus will take from 5 p.m. and we can take the hourly bus and reach.
But I think we should should avoid the hourly bus as it may
Yes.
take
Yes.
longer
Yeah, it will
duration
take
time.
longer
Yes.
than-
I think it is a 12-kilometer distance. It would take around less than 15 minutes.
Yes.
Kilometer.
So
I think that
it
is a-
will be much more easy situation to go to Shamgarh rather than to MLC and inform the MLC and as well as the railway station of Amangarh.
This is
by the
not
railway
our job.
service
This
of
is the
the
job of
station.
MLC. So we can call
Is it
MLC
okay? Yes, yes.
to
I
think
think
the idea of system
So
of that
we
is
explain our story.
Okay,
Just now
so
to
we have reached the conclusion now.
Yes. Who will tell the story?
We'll have to decide whether we back.
Yes,
where will
we can also discuss the time as test number 3 said. Since we are at 4:30 at petrol pump
Yes.
and it's about 13 kilometers Shamgarh.
Yes.
So and
And
the average speed is
the
around
MLC is about 6 kilometers.
Okay, so I think
You
it
can also
will
go in MLC.
take 20 minutes to reach the
Yes,
Shamgarh.
Around 20 minutes.
30 minutes.
Around 5 we will be there. And we also know that the train leaves from the Amangarh at 5:30.
Yes.
So we can also inform them
MLC.
with priority and we will reach the time at Dhami to attend our friends wedding
Function.
Yes, yes. we will.
Yes.
But here the
We have to inform police
the
station also.
Yes, police station is also informed.
We will also inform the railway station.
Yes.
If you are,
I have an idea. First of all, we go to Dhami village. His situation is Lalapur. Lalapur
But
also has a
I think we have discussed most of the problems and now our priority should be at
Yes,
yes.
But I added the point. One
Okay.
second. We are in petrol pump, okay? We come to Dhami village for
Okay.
attend my friend function.
Okay.
We have the Dhami situation in Lalapur. Lalapur also has a police station. We also can.
Lalapur is 10 kilometers away from Dhami.
It's much more
Yes.
far.
It
It's
should be
really that
that
from
way to Shamgarh.
This is around 20 kilometers.
I said
This is
that
around
one friend
20
is
kilometers.
for Nausea. He came to Dhami, take rest, and we go.
But we
But
can
we
also in
I
that
think
case
in particular Nausea we need not add
Yes,
this.
no
We
more
simply
attention
need
required.
vomiting and a bit
They also
medication.
they glucose and all that
yeah, it's not
to
a big issue.
Yes.
No, vomiting is
Yes,
not
just
just
exactly.
simple medicine would work.
Yes.
And just a little.
So we come on a good conclusion.
Yes, so we have reached the
Reach the
conclusion.
conclusion.
Also, I have one more point. Since the smuggling is happening at the Baldi, so one of our
Smuggling is happening over there. Baldi Creek discussion about.
smuggling is happening over Baldi Creek and meeting is going to happen of the Rocky.
They are talking about smuggling at Baldi Creek.
Talking about Baldi Creek and happening of
Yes, yes.
Rocky
But
Hills.
we can also take a preventive measure. We should go to the ferry station and we should inform the guards over there to cut the ferry service for some time. This will also, if we have got them out of our hands, then since there is no ferry service, they can't reach Baldi Creek.
They can use the highway.
They
There is
use
no,
also
since Baldi Creek is between the river, they can't use the highway to reach there.
Yeah, they can't go.
because that pool is also used by them.
Surrounding
The pool is also used by them.
And-
Because of the ferry connection, we can cut that pool.
Yes.
We can't reach the highway.
Yes.
Yes, this
And
is the
at the
point.
end, we all would get together at the petrol pump and then
And go to Dhami.
we'll go to Dhami.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, we
Okay,
that's a very
inform
important
the
point.
villagers some.
Yes, yes.
So I think everybody is okay with the
Okay,
conclusion.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So gentlemen, we are currently at petrol pump and we will first tackle the fish plate problem by informing the railway station at Amargarh through going to Shamgarh. It is about 13 kilometer distance and we can reach it in 15 minutes. We will take 10 minutes to discuss. So the current time at petrol pump, when we are at petrol pump, would be 4:30. We have taken 10 minutes to discuss. The old lady who needs the problem with tire, we can just send her to the petrol pump, to the people at petrol pump and they can help her. So it won't take any time. We can go to Shamgarh and we can inform both the MLC and the Amargarh railway station about the fish trap problem and they can stop the train from going to Lalpur. And we know that the train is going at 5:30 p.m. so we can stop it way before time. When we are at Shamgarh, we can also tackle the problem of smuggling, which is being discussed at Baldi Creek and is going to happen at Rocky Hills. So the person who knew about it, the one who has the evidence, we can take them with us to Shamgarh and we can tell the local police station about it, who can inform the Amargarh station and they can stop the smuggling at Rocky Hill. And the Shamgarh police station can stop it at the Baldi Creek. Additionally, we can also, from the petrol pump, we can also divide our group by sending 1 or 2 people to to the ferry, and the ferry guard, we can inform the ferry guards about the talk about the smuggling that is going to happen at Baldi Creek, and they can also handle that situation. Yes. Now, when we are at Shamgar, we can also give our friend who is feeling nauseous some medical attention, which will be gained from a clinic. He can easily gain some medicine there, and it can also be done. Now we will all finally reach at the petrol pump, and the journey to and fro won't take much time. It will take only 20 minutes, and let's assume that in the police station with all the investigation it takes us about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe even an hour. And from petrol pump, when we are meet at petrol pump, it would take us to go to Dhami village. It will take us about 20 to 25 minutes at most, and so we can approximately reach at 6 p.m. even before it if the investigation takes a little less time.
किसके लिए जा रहे हो? किस में जा रहे हो? Van. What are the other resources? Van. Keep this thing in mind. Okay? तो ड्राइवर भी तो है वैन में?
Yes sir. Yes.
तो तुम 8 plus 9 हो गए ना? बल्ले right? Okay, fine. After that, what happens then? You stop at petrol pump. One of your friend is feeling giddy and complains of एक विकेट डाउन हो गई, इसकी हो गई, दोस्त की। क्या वो बेहोश हो गया?
No sir.
क्या मरने वाला है?
No sir.
उल्टियाँ आ रही हैं?
Yes sir.
Priority has to be assessed in this way. Understood?
Yes sir.
अगर किसी को हेड इंजरी हुई है, ब्लीडिंग बैडली है, then the priority rushes to the top to save the life of that particular person. Okay? अगर थोड़ा सा मतलब क्या है, उल्टियाँ आ रही हैं, कुछ हो रहा है, फर्स्ट एड से काम चल जाएगा, प्रायोरिटी डेफिनेटली गोज डाउन. Remember this thing. Clear about this?
Yes sir.
Right. Okay. After that, what happens? Meanwhile, you overhear a conversation between two persons regarding an exchange of smuggled goods at Baldi Creek for money, and meeting at 6 p.m. at Rocky Hill. एक और प्रॉब्लम, पहली प्रॉब्लम क्या आ गई? Your friend cooking. Second problem, smuggling. अब तुमने इन बिटवीन दी लाइन पढ़ा नहीं है. Who has मतलब क्या क्या किसने सुना? किसने सुना?
Two people.
दो बंदे बात कर रहे थे, तुमने सुना, क्या एक्शन लिया?
From the ferry guard.
क्या एक्शन क्या लिया तुमने?
Sir, we have to
वो
inform.
दो लोगों ने तो प्रॉब्लम बता दी, isn't it?
Yes sir.
दो लोगों ने प्रॉब्लम बता दी, भाई स्मगलिंग हो रही है, और वहाँ पे अब उनको कहाँ से पता लगा? अगर तुम किसी को कंप्लेन भी करोगे, अगर FIR लॉन्च भी करनी है, तो वो तो विटनेस मांगेंगे ना.
Yes sir.
पकड़ा क्यों नहीं उसको? फर्स्ट मिस्टेक. Realize it or not?
Yes sir.
Isn't it?
Yes sir.
और कम से कम उनको होल्ड करके रखो यार, तुम्हें कहाँ से पता लगा? कैसे है, क्यों मतलब क्या कहे, कैसे क्यों बंद करके रखो उधर, मतलब चाहे अपनी गाड़ी में बंद करो उसको बांधो, और चाहे तुम उसको पेट्रोल पंप पे बांधो। ओके, बिकॉज हो सकता है यही कल्प्रेट्स हो हैं। अंडरस्टैंड? ये चीज़ें थोड़ा सा दिमाग अपना शार्पन अप करो, धीरे पढ़ो। जब तुम पढ़ते हो तो धीरे पढ़ो, रियलाइज करो वेयर इट इज अफेक्टिंग है। क्लियर अबाउट दिस?
Yes, sir.
अब स्मगलिंग है ओवर द रिवर एंड ओवर द वाटरवेज, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसकी है? Have you informed Coast Guard? In your solution, I couldn't find anything Coast Guard. Okay. Mistake realized or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Alternatively, you can inform the police if the Coast Guard is not there.
Coast Guard is much farther.
काम किसका है?
Coast Guard.
आगे चलते हैं, चले आगे।
Yes, sir.
But sir, Coast Guard deals with the smuggling around the sea, but it is the river.
कोस्ट गार्ड को कभी आपने मतलब कहते हैं ये गंगा के ऊपर देखा है, यमुना के ऊपर देखा है, होते हैं। Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The Coast Guard is over the waterways. होवरक्राफ्ट होते हैं, कई चीज़ें होती हैं उनके पास, स्पीड बोट्स होती हैं, मोटर बोट्स होती हैं, हेलीकॉप्टर्स होते हैं। So they have their own मतलब paraphernalia, they have their own SOP in tackling the situations. SOP क्या है? Standard Operating Procedures. Information मिली, SOP starts. Inform so and so, do this. Inform helicopter, inform speedboat, inform this thing. So it is their way how to tackle it. Smugglers को can you tackle?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. You have not मतलब in your solution also you have not shown कि मतलब you will tackle them. Okay. उसके बाद जो है one person from nearby locality informs you that while he was grazing his cattle in the grassland, he saw 4 anti-social elements removing fish plates from the railway track. तो गडरिया बेचारा मतलब क्या कि घास चराने गया था, अपने जानवर को चार बंदे जो हैं रेलवे ट्रैक को फिश प्लेट्स रिमूव कर रहे थे। अकेला क्या करता? भागा भागा आया, तुम्हें देखा, तुम्हें बता दिया। किसने देखा? हुई थी विटनेस है। एज ए गुड सिटीजन तुम्हें बता दिया। एज ए गुड सिटीजन तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है टू इन्फॉर्म whom? रेलवे अथॉरिटी। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसकी है? रेलवे की। टू स्टॉप द ट्रेन एंड एज वेल एज टू catch the culprits. Railway protection force is meant for that. Okay? So railway control room is meant for communicating the driver and the guard for, or even manned level crossing which is there, informing him to stop the train. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
अगर करेक्ट बंदे को तुम इन्फॉर्म करते हो तो वो करेक्ट एक्शन जो है तुम्हारा सही टाइम पे ठीक रहता है। उसके बाद when you are planning what to do, an elderly lady request your assistant to fix a punctured tire है, she has to reach Lalpur urgently. अब क्या हो गया, टायर पंचर, किस चीज का टायर पंचर है?
We can assume.
कोई स्कूटी बोल रहा है, कोई you can imagine anything, okay, but it can't be cycle, isn't it? So she has got a four-wheeler or a two-wheeler, isn't it? पंचर हो गया है तो she has requested for it. अब उसने आपको बोला होगा बिकॉज पेट्रोल पंप पे या तो कोई होगा नहीं पंचर लगाने वाला, स्टिपनी तो होती है, तो स्टिपनी को रिमूव करके मतलब कैसे लगाना है, तो दैट बिकम्स ए रिसोर्स फॉर यू. 10 मिनट सिर्फ स्टिपनी को खोल के लगाने में लग जाते हैं, ओके राइट. और वो 10 मिनट के बाद उसकी गाड़ी भी अवेलेबल है. यू कैन यूज दैट व्हीकल गोइंग अप टू लालपुर और धामी विलेज. गो अप टू धामी विलेज. अपने बंदों के मतलब मोटरसाइकिल लो, कुछ लो, टेक दीज चैट्स जो पकड़े हैं तुमने, साथ में लेके जाओ, पोस्ट कार्ड को जाकर बता दो. अगर फोन नहीं कर पा रहे तो इस तरीके से जो है यूटिलाइज द रिसोर्सेज व्हिच आर विजिबल टू यू गिवन. एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल टू यू. एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन लीव्स अमनगढ़ टुवर्ड्स लालपुर at 5:30 p.m. Hali bus service operates between Lalpur and Shyamgarh and Lalpur and Amangarh. Time now is 4:30 p.m. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now what are the problems? Priority wise tell me. First is stop the train. Okay? अगर if you stop the train, inform the railway, control room, RPF, they will take action as per the SOP2. So that becomes the first priority. Second priority you will give to whom? Smuggling. Smuggling. क्या क्या तुम्हारे पास सॉल्यूशंस हैं? मोबाइल कवरेज, लैंडलाइन, both are different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Every मतलब क्या है, petrol pump has got a landline. Unless and until it is given that landline is unserviceable, then you can't use it. Otherwise, you can imagine that. That becomes a resource. Yeah. There are 4 to 5 persons in the petrol pump also. They also must be having a battery. So these are the resources which you are visualizing. Understood? Okay. Second becomes smuggling को रोकना. वो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया है. Either you should be able to use the landline to tell and landline to tell the railways. अगर नहीं दिमाग में आया है तो then there are other 2-3 solutions. Okay. Third priority goes to
particular
nausea.
Yes, sir.
Fourth goes to the lady.
After plan.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
And last goes to
Attending the marriage.
अपने फ्रेंड की मैरिज में जाके खाना डालना है. That becomes the last. So priority has to be मतलब क्या कि listed properly the way you are going to. Then the resources which are available to you. Given resources, बस चलती है every 1 hour. Okay, given resources, तुम्हारी मोबाइल वैन है, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
उसमें फर्स्ट एड किट भी है, ओके, उसमें टायर चेंजिंग के भी मतलब क्या क्या टूल्स हैं, isn't it? तो ये सब रिसोर्सेज जो हैं, विजुअलाइज दीज रिसोर्सेज व्हाइल मेकिंग ए प्लान, चाहे उसको यूज कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो। प्लस जो तुम्हारा मतलब कहते हैं गांव में मतलब कहते हैं, कई भागते हैं कि गांव में जाके अपने इसको फर्स्ट एड देंगे, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे मतलब अगर प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर लिखा हुआ है कि ओके, बिकॉज एवरी स्मॉल विलेज विल नॉट हैव दैट, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Some people are telling बॉडी क्रीक के पास लोगों को इकट्ठा करके हम पकड़ लेंगे, उनको पकड़ सकते हैं स्मगलर्स को?
No, sir.
तुमने क्या बोला था?
So we will inform the people at ferry guards.
People को इन्फॉर्म करने से
The
क्या
ferry
होगा?
guard, the
The
people
service
who
guard.
operate the ferry,
हाँ,
ferry service. We can inform them that there is going to be smuggling and garlic.
तो रिजल्ट क्या निकला? क्या रिजल्ट निकला?
सर रिजल्ट ये था कि मतलब हम ये फेरी सर्विस ही बंद करवा देते हैं, तो वहाँ पे पहुँच ही नहीं पाते।
स्मगलिंग
वो स्मगलिंग अपनी बोट पे, स्पीड बोट पे आएंगे, अपनी बोट पे आएंगे, isn't it? Don't visualize something else. Understand?
Yes, sir.
तो बी वेरी वेरी मतलब क्या कि थोड़ा सोचने में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, बट ट्राई टू एनालाइज थिंग्स इन बेटर। अब जो है गो इन द रिवर्स वे, टाइम नाउ इज 4:30, 10 minutes to discuss 4:40। thereafter तुमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि हम अपनी वैन लेके जाएंगे, और यही तुमने बोला एमएलसी तो नहीं, कहीं तुमने टच किया?
We will go to Shamgarh and then we will inform the MLC and Amargarh railway station.
शाम को रोटी डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं।
So we can also inform the police there about smuggling.
About
the smuggling.
smuggling responsibility primary किसकी है? डायरेक्शन गलत हो गई ना, isn't it? मेन मतलब क्या कि तुम्हें जहाँ से ट्रेन स्टार्ट हो रही है उसको, ट्रेन लिखा हुआ है कि ट्रेन जो है 5:30 बजे शुरू हो रही है, 5:30 बजे से पहले तुम्हें अमनगढ़ पहुँचना है। क्या तुम पहुँच सकते हो?
Yes, sir. We can reach.
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
So approximately 25 minutes.
कितने किलोमीटर है? तुमने कैलकुलेट करके
Around
निकाला?
20
20
kilometers.
10 किलोमीटर 5, 5, 20, 22, 20, 25 मिनट्स लगेंगे।
Yes, sir. We are right. We can go
Okay.
20 minutes.
20, 25, still you have got 10, 15 minutes balance left.
Yes, sir.
You can do it. If I would have given time now is 5 p.m. then the problem would have started. Then you could only reach the
MLC.
and from MLC they will also inform and you will also rush to किसको लेके जाओगे साथ में?
Witness.
जिसने तुम्हें अब मुझे ये बताओ, जो तुम्हारा मतलब है सेकंड है, सेकंड if you are not using the vehicle of that, how will you go to Coast Guard mobile detachment?
We can use the
Same मतलब क्या है कि vehicle, they will inform the police about it, they will inform the
By MLC they can inform Coast Guard.
एमएलसी से बेशक ना इन्फॉर्म हो, लेकिन जब आप डाउन पहुंच गए हो
Then we can inform.
तो एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स कितने बजे हैं? 6 o'clock, काफी टाइम है। They will activate the whole thing. Police will also activate and they will also activate. Ultimately जो है कोस्ट गार्ड एप्रीहेंड करके किसको हैंड ओवर करती है? पुलिस को। Isn't it? So both are in the loop. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So both these parties are in the loop in solving the problem. अब रह जाती है बारी तुम्हारे अपने बंदे की। या तो तुम उसको साथ में ले जा सकते हो, गाड़ी में बैठा के हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कर दो, समझेंगे? या उसको वापस श्यामगढ़ भेज दो बस के अंदर, जो आवली बस सर्विस है। एक बंदे को साथ में भेजना पड़ेगा तुम्हें। जब एक मतलब तुम्हारे कैंडिडेट तक वो जाएगा, उसको वहाँ पे एडमिट कराएगा जहाँ पे तुम्हारा अपना शहर है, उसके पेरेंट्स को बताएगा, उनको हॉस्पिटल में हैंड ओवर करके उसी बस से वापस कहाँ तक आ जाएगा? धामी वाले दिस इज मोर मतलब प्रैक्टिकल देन दिस वन,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So think practically how you are going to solve and which is the best possible solution, which can be मतलब क्या कहें, actions can be taken appropriately. Any questions? No questions?
If we go to Shamgar and the railway station in Shamgar, they can Shamgar is more fast. We can reach Shamgar faster now, so we can inform the railway station and they can inform the
श्यामगढ़ में कहाँ से रेलवे स्टेशन आ गया?
police station. Any authorities, they can inform the railway station. Amargarh and Moi's.
उतना टाइम एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा।
But we have enough time to reach to
देखा किसने? मैसेज किसके पास है? किसने बताया? वो सब तुम्हारे पास है। जब तुम्हारे पास सारा मतलब क्या है, प्राइमरी विटनेस जो है तुम्हारे पास है, तो इट इज बेटर टू मतलब क्या है उसको लेके रेलवे अथॉरिटीज को प्राइमरी किसको बताना है? रेलवे अथॉरिटी। Isn't it? जल्दी से जल्दी एमएलसी उससे थोड़ा देर में you can say that Amangarh, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You can inform. That's how the logic runs. Thank you very much.